In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Jira project access, a vital task for managing who can view and interact with your projects. Let's delve right into it. First, you'll want to navigate to your Jira project. This will typically involve opening your Jira dashboard and selecting the specific project you wish to change. Take your time to ensure you're in the right project, as changing the access settings can significantly impact who can contribute to and view this information. Once you're sure you're in the correct project, direct your attention to the top right corner of your screen. Here, you'll find a button labeled Share. Go ahead and click on this. It might take a second or two for the share window to pop up, depending on your internet speed or any browser extensions you might be using, so be patient. In this share window, you'll see an option to change the project access. This is usually a drop-down menu that gives you a few different choices. It's designed this way for ease of use, ensuring you can quickly alter access levels as needed. Click on this drop-down to reveal your options. You'll be presented with three options: private, limited, and open. It's crucial to choose the right level based on your project's needs and your team's workflow. Choosing private means that only people you specifically invite can view or edit the project. This setting is ideal for new or sensitive projects where you want to tightly control who has access. If you select limited, it allows a broader group, such as members of your company, to view the project, but they may need additional permissions to make edits. This can be helpful for projects that require some level of transparency within your organization, but still need some restrictions on who can make changes. Lastly, opting for open is best for projects where you want anyone within your organization to view and potentially contribute, making it perfect for projects that benefit from wider collaboration. Once you've decided on the appropriate access level for your project, click to select it. With the access level now set, look for the Save button. It's usually positioned prominently to ensure you don't miss it and forget to save your changes. Click Save to confirm these alterations. You'll, thankfully, get a notification quickly confirming that your project's access level has been successfully updated. And there you go. That's all it takes to change the access settings for a Jira project. By following these steps, you've successfully managed your project's visibility and accessibility, tailoring it precisely to your and your team's requirements. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope you found this guide helpful in navigating Jira's settings with confidence.